I, Dorcas Agik Odong Odwor, being appointed as the Attorney General of Kenya, do swear that I will at all times be faithful to the Republic of Kenya, that I will obey, respect, and uphold this Constitution of Kenya and all other laws of the Republic.
I, Beatrice Askul Moe, being appointed a Cabinet Secretary of Kenya, do swear that I will at all times be faithful to the Republic of Kenya, that I will obey, respect, and uphold this Constitution of Kenya.
To Dorcas, you come into office as a very critical moment in our nation. I will advise you to carefully read the manifesto upon which this government was elected. We have 3 fundamental issues that we consider important in the service of the people of Kenya. My sister Beatrice, congratulations. I know you very well. I think I've known you for 20 years, and I know that you are an astute leader. You have my confidence as you serve the people of Kenya in your new responsibility. I am very confident with your experience, being grown up from the ranks, and I think you become the first person to grow through the ranks at the Attorney General office and become the legal head of that institution. And therefore, I have no doubt in my mind that you have what it takes to get that office to appropriate its place in the service of the nation. You are aware also that there is need to expand the footprint of the Office of the Attorney General to take care of litigations and legal requirements in different parts of the country. That again will be another step that you may consider, and we will be working with you to make sure that people access justice on time and government gets legal representation to protect the greater interest of the people of Kenya.